Welcome back to Bloody Knuckles Garage, and today on the 2006 Hummer H3, we're waiting on parts to finish the transmission cooler lines. So I thought, why don't we do this? Dirty, gross looking thing, undershield. We're gonna clean it up and make it look real nice. When in doubt, just spray brake clean on literally everything. You want it clean? Alright, now hot soapy water. Hot soapy water, give it a scrub, get everything off if you can. Alright, next we're going to have to mask off the area we don't want paint. And I'm kind of hoping this sticks because it's cold out, but we'll see. Now that she's all cleaned and taped off, we're going to be using this Rust-Oleum undercoating. Figured it's a good choice for here. Honestly, I have no idea, but it's better than nothing. If it's undercoating, it's got to be a little better. It'll prevent rusting on your aluminum. You're worried about that? Okay. Okay, now that we got one coat done, it says to wait about 2 minutes before your next coat. We're gonna put, I don't know, let's try 2 coats and see how that looks. Don't forget to clean and spray the clips too. Go on the top. Also, unlike other undercoatings, this will dry pretty much smooth. It won't be wrinkled and bumpy like a box liner or bed liner. Thinking about spraying something like that instead. Alright, with our second coat pretty much, well, I guess it's not dry, but it's getting there. So, try to get this off while you can, before all that stuff hardens and cures. Then it might peel off with it if you wait too long. Or you can trace it with an X-Acto when it's dry. I guess that would work if you had to. Oh my god, is it ever sticky? It's like all over my fingers. You can see that it's rubberized though as it's drying. Good coating. And there we go. And just throw it on, see what it looks like. Wish I could put it on, but I'm still waiting for parts. So that's about as close as it'll get for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. New videos every Friday.